IATA map the 3 traffic conference areas. IATA TCs, it has many different names, such as IATA World Map, IATA Geography, IATA 3 TCs Areas, and IATA Traffic Conference Areas. IATA has been leading airline industry for over 70 years by its traffic conferences provisions, which was agreed by IATA member airlines in many formal IATA traffic conferences which had been located in different parts of the world. IATA International Air Transport Association is a commercial community of the most international airlines over the world. IATA vision is to shape the future growth of safe, secure and sustainable air transport by representing, leading, and serving the airline industry. Why IATA divided the world? To answer this question, let me give you short summary background about IATA history. IATA has been working to achieve its aims since April 1945. IATA starts forming its world geography, IATA map, to manage and solve the commercial matters of air transport such as rates, routes and schedules and many other commercial matters. It was difficult for IATA to solve commercial matters in one traffic conference in one location due to many reasons such as government's approvals, economic factors, lowering the costs etc. In one of IATA traffic conference, IATA called for establishment many traffic conferences in different parts of the world. In 1947, the traffic conference locations became 3 in different parts of the world. IATA map. Why not ICAO? Since April 1947, International Civil Aviation Organization was administering various aeronautical activities to create a single worldwide regime for civil aviation, as well as government organization. ICAO did not cover the commercial matters of international airline. ICAO was aiming at setting the basic international aviation regulations. ICAO annexes to the Convention on International Civil Aviation, also known as Chicago Convention, which was agreed by contracted states around the world. IATA traffic conferences. IATA traffic conferences were established to deal with all international air traffic matters involving passengers, cargo, and mail in specific area in the world. IATA member airlines signed agreements related to 1. Fares and rates. 2. Traffic documents, standard forms of passengers' air tickets, baggage checked, airway bills, etc. 3. Interline agreements. 4. Administration of sales agents. IATA vision and IATA member airlines' faith has grown up the international air transport step by step with cooperation with ICAO.
IATA Map. IATA World Map is not like what we studied in the school. In IATA Map, there is little differences. For example, IATA definition of Europe comprises not only geographical Europe but includes also the following countries and islands: 3 North African countries, i.e. Morocco, Algeria and Tunisia, the Azores, Madeira and the Canary Islands. These countries by IATA Map were situated within the IATA Europe sub-area, IATA Area 2. Although geographically Egypt and Sudan were situated in the African continent, these countries are included by IATA Map in IATA Middle East sub-area IATA Area 2. IATA Tariff Conference Areas, IATA TC 1, 2, 3. In order to fully understand the routing of airlines and their respective fare calculations, IATA Map divided the worlds into 3 areas known as traffic conferences: TC1, TC2, TC3, it called as Passenger Tariff Conference, Passenger Services Conference, Cargo Services Conference, and Cargo Tariff Conference. IATA Area 1. IATA Map. IATA Area 1 is further divided to 4 sub-areas. I will list countries in some sub-areas only. You can refer to the official source, IATA Publications, for complete countries lists within each IATA area. IATA Area 1, Sub-Areas: 1 Caribbean, Sub-Area 2 Mexico, Sub-Area Canada, US, Mexico and St. Pierre and Miquelon. 3 Long-Haul, Sub-Area 4 within South America, Sub-Area Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Panama, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. IATA Area 2, IATA Map. IATA Area 2 is further divided to 3 sub-areas. I will list countries in some sub-areas only. You can refer to the official source, IATA Publications, for complete countries lists within each IATA area. IATA Area 2, Sub-Areas 1 within Europe. Sub-Area Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Armenia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Faroe Islands, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Gibraltar, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Republic of Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Macedonia, Fyrom, former Yugoslav Republic of Malta, Monaco, Moldova, Republic of Morocco, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, including Azores and Madeira, Romania, Russia, in Europe, San Marino, Serbia and Montenegro, formerly Yugoslavia, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, including Canary Islands, Sweden, Switzerland, Tunisia, Turkey, Ukraine, United Kingdom. I put underline and bold letters for countries which originally located in Africa, but in IATA TC these countries are located in Europe. 2 within Middle East Sub-Area 3 within Africa Sub-Area. IATA Area 3, IATA Map. IATA Area 3 is further divided to 4 sub-areas. I will list countries in some sub-areas only. You can refer to the official source, IATA Publications, for complete countries lists within each IATA area. IATA Area 3, Sub-Areas 1 South Asian Subcontinent. Sub-Area 2 Southeast Asian Subcontinent. Sub-Area Brunei, Cambodia, China, Taipei, Hong Kong, Guam, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Laos, Macau, Malaysia, Kyrgyzstan, Marshall Islands, Micronesia, Mongolia, Myanmar, Northern Mariana Islands, Palau, Philippines, Russia, east of Ural Mountains, Singapore, Tajikistan, Thailand, Timor-Leste, and Turkmenistan. 3 Southwest Pacific Sub-Area 4 Japan/Korea Sub-Area. Conclusion: in order to fully understand the routing of airlines and their respective fare calculations, the International Air Transport Association divided the world to 3 geographical areas known as IATA Tariff Conference 1-2-3. IATA Map is covered in many aviation basic training because it is highly used while calculating airfares and rates, and when applying air travel rules. I hope that you find this article informative. If so, please help us to reach up more readers by sharing this article.
Aviationprofessional.net, a home of aviation articles.